like done, and you just hit it. So I was like, oh, wait on that.
Alright, so these...
There is a new parking surveillance video.
Oh.
Please open the gallery to view it.
Okay, okay. Do you want to pair with the phone? Tell it no. Alright, for sure, guys. So, yeah, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be installing the front splitter, the side skirts, well, side splitters, basically, on this 50th anniversary RT. And, I think we're going to let Chris finish airing out. Yep. Yeah, that's what we got next. So stay tuned to the channel, and I'll show you guys step by step on how we're gonna do with this. You know, so the crazy thing about this 50th anniversary, of course, they come with the new seats, the new, ooh, the crack. Sound like a crack. And not only that, but they come with the new seats. They come with the new interior. You got the orange stitching. Then also you have the orange stitching, and then you got the new dashboard. It's like a crazy color, man. I'll show you guys right now. Let me just put this car in real fast, and we'll be on the way. All right, so you see it.
You see it.
You see it. We got the 2020 Shaker RT 50th anniversary. Of course, you know, they come with the color match shaker, which is pretty badass.
What is more badass though is this number 44 out of 70.
Yeah, this is number 44 out of 70 RT Shakers 50th anniversaries that were made.
Man. English class?
English class. Yes, got to retake. But yeah, this is number 44 out of 70 RT Shakers that were made in the 50th anniversary. Like I was telling you guys in the beginning, we are going to be doing the full front splitter. We are going to have to, you know, make the holes into the splitter that he bought, because that one was just a plain sheet of metal, so to say. And we're going to take it off, trace the holes, and then reverse. I'm putting everything back together with the old clips, with the new bolts that came with the kit. Also, we're going to be doing the side skirts. We're going to be doing the side splitters. Everything came with for that too. We got the hardware that came with the kit. Slide splitters are right here. Those are it. So we're going to be doing the front, and we're going to be doing the sides. And hopefully later on, this guy decides to go back. You know, we kind of got him into, you know, put air suspension. I mean, if you're going to go low, of course you want to go lower. But fuck the springs. We say go air.
Go air.
Go air. But definitely stay tuned to the channel, man. And you get more of this. Hey, Copa Saka's here. What's going on, brother?
What's up, bro?
Yeah. All right, so Chris is now at the point where he's putting the rods in. We got the measurement in correctly. we're gonna get the max downforce out of this bumper with the splitter by putting it right there at what, 7.5?
This fool.
7.5 inches on top and then 1.5 feet in the bottom. You know, something like that. But definitely stay tuned. We're gonna be putting this back into the car. The splitter is done, and afterwards we're gonna be working on the side splitters. Yeah, it's gonna get max downforce, bro. So this dude's gonna be able to swing left and right and not be like a Mustang going directly right and killing people.
This will say it again.
Retake. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so now the front's completed, the front splitter and the rods are installed. Chris just finished doing up the side splitters on this end right here, but we gotta pick up a little bit of the back, you know, raise it a little bit just to get that back end going. So right now, me and Eder are gonna do is jump onto this side and get this side going. So that's where we're at right now. We're almost done. Stay with us. Don't forward this video. So yeah, stay tuned.